Hello everyone! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel, Farm TV Realty Lopez. This is Louis winning your side Takiters today. At ngayong araw ay nandito tayo sa bayan ng Tagkawayan, Quezon. Meron tayong isa site na property na may sukat or lawak na 2.9 hectares o hektarya. Ang property is mula sa highway, may mga 7 kilometers more or less ang layo. And malapit lang na siya sa Barangay Road. Also, merong mga 40 to 60 meters na frontage dun sa pinakakalsada niya later. So, later, papakita ko sa inyo yung pinakasakop ng frontage doon sa harapan. Katabi lang siya mismo ng elementary school. So, yung elementary school is nandyan. Ayan mismo yung elementary school. Katabi din siya ng covered court. Ito lang yung covered court. May malapit na simbahan. Ang property is magsa-start mismo dito sa may bakod na yan. So, tara, nalibutin natin yung property. May kasama rin tong bahay. Okay. Right now, as you can see, medyo madamo yung property natin. Again, ito yung pinaka-bakod niya. Ito yung pinaka-entrance ng property. Ayan yung bakod. Okay, ang puno ng niyog dito is mga nasa more or less 600. Ang layo naman ito sa town proper ng Tagkawayan is mga nasa 20 to 21 kilometers. But I'm going to put it on the screen na lang yung exact distance niya from the town proper. So yung 20 to 21 is yung estimated lang na distance niya. But again, I will put it on the screen na lang later yung exact distance from the town proper of Tagkawayan. Okay. Ito yung mga puno ng niyog. Ito yung bahay na sinasabi ko. Okay, may mga puno ng mangga. Okay. Dito tayo magpunta. Again, ayan yung bahay. Ay, may puno ng mahogany. Ayan yung puno ng mangga. May kataasan yung mga puno ng niyog dito. Okay, medyo pa slope yung part na to ng property. Ayan, ito medyo malalim sa part nito. Pero may daanan naman. Ayan yung daanan. Okay, so I think, yung kagandahan dito sa property is malapit lang talaga siya mismo sa kalsada. Like, doon lang. After nito, daan sa kabila niyan, kalsada na mismo. Cemented yung road. So, very easy access. Very convenient. Again, katabi yung covered court ng barangay na to. Okay. Yan, matataas yung puno ng niyog dito. As of now, I do not see or I cannot see any fruit bearing trees or any other fruit bearing trees aside from the mangoes. I think this is parang sapa. Right now siguro wala lang tubig. Pero ayun kasi yung part na yun, medyo basa-basa and may konting tubig. So I think kapag tag-ulan is nagkakaroon siya ng tubig. Right now kasi is still tag-init. It's very hot today. I mean, kanina umulan pero ngayon super init na naman. Para akong nasa oven right now. Para akong binibake. Ayan, again, as of now, wala akong masyadong nakikitang other fruit-bearing trees aside from the mangoes. Ayan yung mga mango trees. Ayan yung bahay. By the way guys, make sure na you are hydrated. Please stay hydrated. Para iwas heat stroke. I love how quiet itong place na to or yung area na to. Yung naririnig niya lang is yung mga the birds chirping. Chickens kakadoodling. It's not really that noisy here. Kahit katabi lang yung covered court, hindi naman super ingay. Or maybe because tanghaling tapat ngayon, so wala naglalaro. But yeah, I think there's really not much to show you guys naman. But yeah, later, pagbalik namin din sa pinakakalsada, I'll try to check if mapapakita yung yung konting frontage lang ng property. Grabe ang init. Alright guys, if you have any questions or any inquiries, please do not hesitate to contact us through the phone numbers on the upper right side of the video. Again, this is Louis, one of your site educators today. Thank you so much and see you on our next vlogs. Bye! Okay guys, papyaw lang. Ito yung mahon sa kalsada. Ito mismo yung kalsada guys. So it's not really like super naman, like katabi lang mismo ng kalsada, parang may konting gap pa. Bale, ayan. So, may konting gap and then ito na yung pinakakalsada niya. And then yung frontage niya is mga nasa 100 meters yung frontage. So itong, ayan, medyo malalim lang yun sa part na yan. Actually, malalim talaga sa part nito. Pero doon kami dumaan sa kabila, so medyo mababaw-babaw doon. Okay. Ito naman yung mahon na to, yung pinaka-ending niya, dun sa may tabi mismo ng school or na elementary school. Wait lang, pakita ko. Okay, ito yung kalsada guys, diba?
Diretso yan mula dito. Punta doon.
Ito yung kalsada, diba guys? Yan, papunta pa dun yung yung frontage. Andyan yung elementary school. Andyan na mismo. Yung elementary school. So, yun yung hangganan ng property. Okay guys. Anyway, yeah, ayun lang. Pinahapyawan ko lang yung pinaka tabi ng kalsada. Again, thank you so much and see you on our next vlogs. Bye!